In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ProtoPie with Figma, a powerful way to enhance your design workflow. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first step is to prepare your design in Figma. Once your design is ready, you'll need to select it. Simply right-click anywhere on the selected design. From the context menu that appears, navigate to the Plugins option. If ProtoPie is already set up on your system, it should appear as one of the options. If you're seeing it here, that's great. It means you're one step closer to integrating your designs into ProtoPie. Now, if you find that ProtoPie isn't showing up in the menu, don't worry. We're going to get that sorted out. Head over to the Actions panel. In the search bar, type in ProtoPie. Click on it and follow the prompts to set it up. It's really straightforward. Just follow the instructions it provides, and you'll be ready to go in no time. Once you've set up ProtoPie, we can go ahead and run the plugin. Click on Run when the ProtoPie plugin opens up. At this point, you should also open a new design template within ProtoPie. This is where the magic begins. After doing this, your selected design from Figma will automatically open in ProtoPie, assuming you've followed the first step correctly and everything is set up properly. It's an efficient way to bring your design ideas into a prototype environment without the hassle of exporting and importing files manually. It streamlines your workflow, allowing you to focus more on designing and prototyping rather than getting bogged down by technical processes. Now that you've got your design in ProtoPie, you can start to create interactive prototypes. This is where you can truly bring your designs to life, adding animations, transitions, crayons, and other interactive elements. Whether you are looking to present a demo to stakeholders or just testing the usability of your design, ProtoPie gives you the tools to test your ideas quickly and effectively. And that's basically it. By following these steps, you should now have a seamless connection between Figma and ProtoPie, enabling you to prototype designs effectively. Remember, the key steps are setting up the ProtoPie plugin in Figma, running it, and finally opening a new design template. Thanks for watching. If you follow these steps, you'll find that integrating ProtoPie with Figma is a breeze. I hope this tutorial has helped you understand the basic workflow of using these two powerful tools together. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like these, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Happy designing!